Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Keeper Password Manager Review, a user's perspective. Here at Roam Tech, we're diving into Keeper Password Manager, a comprehensive tool designed to streamline and secure your password management. For product links and special offers, check the description below. Keeper caters to individuals, families, and businesses seeking robust security without sacrificing user-friendliness. From its polished interface to its powerful security features, Keeper firmly establishes itself as a leading contender in the password management arena. Let's explore why. Security is Keeper's cornerstone. Its zero-knowledge encryption ensures that even Keeper cannot access your sensitive data. This, coupled with two-factor authentication and dark web monitoring that alerts you to compromised credentials, elevates Keeper beyond basic password storage to proactive online protection. Keeper excels in usability, seamlessly generating, storing, and autofilling passwords across all your devices. Its browser extension integrates flawlessly with popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, while the mobile app keeps you secure on the go. The intuitive folder system simplifies credential organization, and secure password sharing with family or team members is just a few clicks away. Businesses can leverage Keeper's advanced tools, including role-based permissions, comprehensive activity reporting, and robust compliance management features to uphold stringent security protocols. Families benefit from shared vaults, streamlining access to streaming services, shared accounts, and other online platforms. Keeper's pricing is competitive, offering flexible plans ranging from individual subscriptions to family and enterprise-level options, ensuring you access the features you need without breaking the bank. In conclusion, Keeper Password Manager seamlessly blends robust security, a user-friendly interface, and advanced features tailored for both individuals and organizations. If peace of mind in managing your digital credentials is a priority, Keeper is an excellent choice. Explore the links in the description to learn more or start your Keeper journey today. Thanks for watching this Roam Tech review. We'll see you in the next video.